Salam. Salam.
We the children of wonder, happy and singing we say. The smile for me, we are well to play. Welcome to each of you today. It's a holiday today. We are glad with the place today. And you for me are today. We are all we are working all our love to welcome each one of you. Mama and Nana, grannies and grandmas, uncles and aunties too. The things that I told you, the things that music was true. To keep you waiting, we welcome we the beautiful smile, we the pride of the school. We want for you to clap for us, cheer and the blessings on your heart. The teacher that never saw. We welcome you.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, WELCOME. They are holding it in the right way, in the perfect way, and this lady was super happy to see you. We are okay all about for the fantastic children out there. Yes, if I say I do, yes, that is the first item, the welcome song by the children of Wonder Kids on their annual day 2025. We'll be back with the next item very, very soon.